we have this distraction of a wonderful
I know, right?
celebration.
And I think for a lot of people who were able to enjoy the Super Bowl and maybe are going to take the day off of work today, a lot of kids, it's like, this is the best thing ever, right? Yeah.
I'm still in a nacho coma.
There you go, right? Well, if you are up early and you're thinking you got to get out there this morning, let me just get you up to speed with what's happening. Just got this picture in from someone who is up and out there taking pictures. James on Twitter sent this in. This is Winthrop Shore Drive, and you remember our blizzard, of course, last week beat up the coastline. This storm is not going to be similar in that way. Clearly, we're going to have some snow. And on the South Shore and the Cape, we do have a coastal flood advisory for the 10 a.m. high tide. We're just looking for some minor coastal flooding. This is not going to be a huge issue at the coast. That being said, what is going to be a big deal is the snowfall rate this morning. For a few hours from really just starting now, especially as we get after 6 o'clock this morning, up until noontime, we're going to see these heavier bands of snow set up where the snow could fall at a rate of 1 to 2 inches or more per hour, and that's going to make driving very, very difficult. Then as we get toward the midday hours, there's going to be an icy mix with some sleet and freezing rain pushing northward from the south, but then it starts to go the other way, and this will end as snow for everyone. And where we do see some rain on the Cape this afternoon, there could be a flash freeze by the evening hours tonight. So we've got the winter storm warnings up for all but the islands, where we are going to see some rain mixing on in. And we're not seeing much of anything right now on the islands, much of the Cape, but you can see elsewhere we are getting into some decent snow right now. Visibility around a mile in Boston. Under that, in some of the heavier bands of snow. We're seeing a few of those set up here from Newburyport. You can see that back up toward the Manchester area. Right around Boston, it's snowing at a decent clip, but just south of the city, more moderate snow as you head down toward Brockton and Marshfield. And again, not too much happening just yet on the Cape, but it will. Here's a bigger look at this storm. And we've been snowing for a while in New York City, but look what's happening now. We're starting to see some sleet and freezing rain. South of there, it is raining. The temperatures here are running in the teens and lower 20s, but to our south, there is much milder air, and as the storm pulls closer, it's going to draw in some of those mild temperatures. Notice we're above the freezing mark now in New York City, while it is 13 degrees below zero in Quebec. So that's the contrast that is fueling this storm. So look as we go over the next 12 hours. We've got the snow now, heavy snow at times through about 10 a.m. Then as we get toward that midday period, that's when we could see some sleet mixing on in, even in the city of Boston. Now notice on Futurecast here through 8 o'clock this morning, darker blue showing up. Those are those heavier bands of snow that could produce that snow at a rate of 1 to maybe over 2 inches per hour. And we're going to see that for several hours. So the snow is going to pile up. By 10 o'clock in the morning, though, look what's happening on the Cape. We're flipping it on over to rain, and we're going to watch that rain-snow line with some sleet and freezing rain mixing on in closer on up into Boston as well. But I think from along the pike on northward, this will stay snow throughout the duration of this storm. And then we'll watch that rain-snow line start to collapse back down the other way, and that's when we could see a flash freeze after about 4 o'clock this afternoon down on the Cape. And we'll get a little bit of snow on the backside, but most of our accumulation is going to happen through about 3 o'clock this afternoon. So when all is said and done, we're talking about 8 to 12 inches or more along and north of the pike. I think with the higher amounts probably up toward the Merrimack Valley and the northern Worcester Hills. And with temperatures in the teens, it's going to be a fluffier snow here. It's just south of the pike through many of our South Shore communities back through the 95 corridor. That's when there will be a lot of sleet mixing in. That's going to hold the amounts down a little bit, about 6 to 10, and then less than that down on the Cape and the islands where we do flip on over to rain. The other element of this storm, there will be some winds with it. Could see gusts over 40 miles per hour at the coast and maybe some gusts to 50 miles per hour on Cape Cod. And that is going to knock back the wind chill. By overnight, we're talking about wind chills going down below zero. And look at these temperatures overnight. Temperatures either side of zero for overnight low temperatures tonight. Tomorrow, we don't get out of the teens. The sun will be back. It's a quiet day with those bitter wind chills. Then as we head into the day on Wednesday, there could be some snow showers around and even the chance of a little bit of snow on Thursday. So we get a break in the action tomorrow, and then it's still a wintry pattern, one that we're going to have to watch. No big storms ahead, but something to watch possibly on Thursday. All right, let's get you out there now. Snow is coming down, Olesa, and it's covering